engineered for victory. The Linksys WRT32X gaming router is exclusively built for gamers. With its killer prioritization engine, the WRT32X reduces peak ping by up to 77%. Auto syncs with killer-enabled PCs for unique functionality not found in other routers. Native pro-grade hardware ensures the router runs powerfully and reliably for endless hours of gameplay. And the custom-built firmware and interface are developed for an exceptional gaming experience. Built for gaming, designed to dominate.
What does it take to win? Is it something you're born with? Is it the grind? Every day. Gear up. Do battle. For the 10,000th time. Or is it pushing to your absolute limits? To be faster. Always faster. Insanely precise. Totally free and at one with the game. Or maybe it's just getting to that place where nothing else matters. Nothing in the way of winning.
Whoa. There's a cherry down there. Nice grab, nice grab. Nice. Cut up, cut up.
Yeah, there you go.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Forward, down, forward, wide.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, I'm back, everybody. Sit together, all right?
Whoa!
Whoa!
From the beginning of time, games have brought us together. Players and spectators. by the handful, the hundreds, and the thousands. We built stadiums, places to gather around every kind of spectacle. Glory, tragedy, pageantry, community, rivalry, and wonder. Until every city, town, and village had a place where anyone could play. Thousands of years in, our games have changed. But our need to come together remains. This new era of gaming needs a new place to gather. One place where anything you dream can be built. Playgrounds for every imagination. One place where you and everyone you know and everyone they know will all play together.
Let's go!
Let's go, squad!
Let's go!
One place that never stops evolving. Where everyone will play.
Where did he come from?
And watch.
Yes! High five! Right, bam!
And create.
Woo!
Nice!
From any screen, at any time. One place for all the ways we play. This is Stadia. Gather round.
These two aren't the only ones enjoying Nebula Capsule. Tens of thousands of people around the world have realized that this little bad boy would revolutionize their movies, games, and videos. And now, thanks to new tech and new ideas, the sequel is gonna be so much cooler. Introducing Capsule 2, the world's first Android TV pocket cinema. Too much butter. Capsule 2 has a couple tricks up its sleeve. With 1-second autofocus, Chromecast, and over 3,600 native Android TV apps, you can pretty much watch whatever you want, wherever you want, right when you want it. And with USB Quick Charge, you'll get up to 3 hours of battery life, so it won't die before the villain does. Capsule 2 isn't just for the cinephiles. The HDMI port makes it easy to plug and play. Play Xbox, PS4, Switch in all its high-definition glory. Okay, Google, play soccer highlights on YouTube. Extraordinary. One of them appears to be going outside.
If you're headed outdoors, well, this thing hurls out 200 ANSI lumens. That means it's bright. You see, Capsule 2 boasts a shiny new DLP chip. What's that mean? I have no idea. But someone told me that there are like a million tiny little mirrors in this thing that can project an HD image up to 100 inches big. Anywhere you want. Meaning you get to enjoy your entertainment in even brighter environments. Hear that? Nice. With 8 watts of big sound and beautiful bass, your slasher film will echo across the canyon. I wouldn't be surprised if the sheriff showed up. Golden brown. But it's not quite finished yet. We still got to apply the finishing touches to Capsule 2 before it's ready to share. So, if you like what you're seeing and hearing, we could really use your support. We promise, Capsule 2 will change the way you enjoy entertainment on the go.